Hello and welcome to this video series about Valo Modern. In this video, we'll talk about the multilingual module of Valo. The previous version of Valo, Valo Classic, supported over 20 languages, and at the time of recording this video, we already support over 10 languages in modern Valo. Let me go to a page and show you how multilingual works inside of Valo. To test this out, I will go to the Values page under the About Us. Right now this page only exists in English because the content creator created it in English first. Now I want to create a French version in this page for my French intranet. So from the Valo toolbox, I will go on Create Content, and one of the options that I have is Multilingual. I will click on it, and right now it will tell me that this current page is not yet linked to another page. And I have two options. First of all, under Missing Translations, I see all of the other languages that my intranet is configured in. So right now my intranet is configured in English, French, and Finnish, which is displayed as Suomi. If, let's say, we're a multinational company, every country has its own content creator, and maybe they already created the French page, I can directly link to the page that the French content editor created, and it will enable the deep linking functionality. However, in my case, I'm the one managing both languages, so I have to go create a French translation. I will click on here, and then I have three options to create it. The first option will be to create a blank page. So what this will do, it will go in my French intranet, and as you see, it automatically found all of the different French intranet sites available in my tenant. So I can create a blank page and simply deep linking, so when people switch from English to French, they will automatically go to the right page. I can create a page copy. So what this will do is it will copy all of the text, all of the different webhooks or widgets from the English page into the French page, but not translate anything. And lastly, create full translation. When we click on create full translation, it will actually use the Azure APIs and Bing translation actually in the back to also translate the content of that page in French. Now we all know that automatic translation will never be perfect, especially when we talk about internal communications and legal documents, but it will give you a great starting point so you can simply look at the text, adjust it with your knowledge of the language, and be ready to go a lot faster. The process takes anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes depending on how much content is on the page, and after it's done, it will automatically be linked. So right now, under current translations, I can directly go to the French version. You will see that at the top of the page, right now I have English and French. So it got the top image, it says that this page is a copy from the following page, so kind of gives you a hint that you need to modify it before being ready to go. All of the webhooks are there and the text is translated. I can go back to English and I will go to our values page, and now because this page has another translation, the multilingual toggle will show up at the top. This is it for the overview of the multilingual inside of Valo. Make sure to check our site to see the latest list of supported languages with Valo Modern, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.